Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by cutting power and grounding yourself. Static kills components. Once done, remove external mice and reboot into Windows. Press Win plus X and open Device Manager. Now locate the touchpad listed under Mice and other pointing devices and read the driver name and version so you know what you're working with. Make sure to take a screenshot or write it down. This prevents guessing later. Next, disable any external devices and keep the laptop on a flat, stable surface so you can continue safely. Now focus on drivers and configuration. In Device Manager, right-click the touchpad device and try Rollback Driver first if the problem began after an update. Otherwise, select Update Driver and search automatically or from a downloaded HP driver. Once done, open Settings, go to Devices, then Touchpad and verify it's enabled, adjust sensitivity, and confirm gestures are on. If Windows settings show nothing, reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI, enable the internal pointing device there. These steps fix most software and setting-based failures. Finish by updating system firmware and drivers. Run HP Support Assistant and Windows Update. Install recommended packages and reboot. If problems persist, perform a clean driver reinstall. Uninstall the touchpad device, check delete the driver software for this device, then reboot so Windows redetects fresh. Once done, test the touchpad, and if unsure, connect a USB mouse to verify overall pointer function. If the touchpad still fails after reseating cables or driver cycles, the issue is likely hardware. Schedule HP service or replace the trackpad assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.